Okay, I want to do a quick video about buying a ratcheting PVC cutter, one that you use at home, not a commercial brand like that you would use like if you had a business. But I had three options here. I could have went with the Home Depot version, the Lowe's version, or the Harbor Freight version. And I've used Home Depot and Lowe's before, the red ones when I used to have red ones, and they work great, although they did bend after a while and I had to get rid of the ones I had. Now I had to go buy another one and I wanted to see what was out there. So I went to Home Depot site and seen one for $14.98. I went to Lowe's site and seen one for $13.98, and I went to Harbor Freight site and seen one for $7.99. Now all these PVC cutters have a lifetime warranty, and I've purchased things from Harbor Freight in the past, and as long as I got the receipt or that like electronic receipt or so, I could return things and they don't give you any grief. They pretty much just replace it. Now, Home Depot and Lowe's, I think they would give you grief because they say that you can replace the blades when they dull, and I'm pretty sure Harbor Freight will just replace it regardless of what's wrong with it. And I like that the Harbor Freight price is basically half the price of the other two. So what I'm choosing is basically on cost and ability to last and return it. And with those two in mind, I'm going with the Harbor Freight. And I'll show you here my packaging that came with it. I'm keeping the packaging with it. I also have the receipt. And whenever I have a problem with it, I can just return it and get a new one. I think that's the better deal out of the all three of these.